Welcome to Sunday's Best with Val.
And Kathy, inspiring possibilities for couples, parents, families, and everyone in between.
To our first time listeners, we'd like to welcome you to our show. And for those who have been with us in our previous episodes, thank you for tuning in with us. New Year, New You. Time to create a New Year's resolution. Ang tanong, nagwo-work ba talaga ang New Year's resolution?
And if you're also wondering the same question, in this episode, we will share why we believe creating intentions and habits work for us instead.
Exciting ang topic natin ngayong araw na to. New Year, New You.
Yes, and of course, New Year always inspires new possibilities,
Tama.
new goals, new plans, and a new hope that things will get better. So ang tanong, yung New Year's resolution. Ang tanong, New Year's resolution, does it really work for us? Well, at least for us.
Siguro for some people, nag-work ang New Year's resolution. For some, probably hindi.
For us.
For us, it works because alam ko na pagka nag-create tayo ng New Year's resolution, it's actually anchored to something deeper and more meaningful para sa atin.
Yes.
So, it's really based on the commitment on nung tao na gumagawa ng New Year's resolution.
Yeah.
Pero sa atin kasi, ang New Year's resolution, it's really more of intention.
Intention. That's the word kasi, no?
Yep.
Na we're not really using New Year's resolution, but intentions. And later on, we'll probably share ano ba talaga yung ibig sabihin ng intention. But
Right.
most of the time, perhaps the reason why, according to James Clear of Atomic Habits, the reason why hindi nag-work ang New Year's resolution because most probably people focus on the outcome.
Right.
Right? And by outcome, in relation to fitness, will be gusto natin ng abs.
Six-pack abs, to be specific, di ba?
Yes.
Halos lahat naman ng lalaki at saka mga kababaihan ngayon, yan ang gusto.
Yes, of course, outcome. And ang next dyan is process, right? Process of having abs is
Going to the gym.
Yeah.
Cutting down
Exercise,
on
right?
your food or probably going into diet. Taking in pills or supplements that reduces
Correct.
the fats in the body. Diba? So that those are the processes na kailangang pagdaanan or gawin in order for you to have six-pack abs.
Yeah, and according to James Clear, the most effective and sustainable way to create all these results is really going into identity.
Yon. So, when you say identity, it actually means going back to who you are.
Okay.
Diba? Ano yung I am mo? Bakit ka ba gustong maging fit?
Bakit mo gustong maging fit?
Bakit mo gustong mag-workout? Bakit gusto mo ng six-pack abs? Bakit gusto mo ng muscular body?
Correct.
Diba? It's really basically going back to who you are. Your I am.
And honestly, going back to I am is easier. However, it really takes a lot of, kumbaga, siguro self-introspection.
Yan.
Sino ka ba talaga? 'Di ba? Kasi kung ang identity mo is, like, kumakain ka at nagiging fats siya, most likely, lahat ng kinain mo, magiging fats talaga. Right? But if your identity is lahat ng kinakain ko, nagiging muscles, nagiging abs, most likely, yun din yung mangyayari.
Yeah, parang natatandaan ko yung napanood ko na interview one time kay Derek Ramsey.
Okay. Wow,
Sabi
gusto ko
niya,
yan.
I work out to be able to eat a lot.
Yes.
Diba? So, parang sa kanya, wala siyang masyadong restrictions when it
Yeah.
comes to his diet. But hinahabol niya sa pag-workout, or yung workout niya is his means of really keeping his body toned. Pero siguro blessed naman talaga si Derek, no, ng magandang pangangatawan.
Jeans.
Yeah, but I also was able to talk to somebody na who's been into the fitness industry
Wow,
for quite a
okay.
while bago siya naging executive ng isang retail chain.
Okay.
Ang sabi niya sa akin that yung body natin, particularly the stomach area or
Yes.
the abs, is actually created in the kitchen.
Oh.
So you really have to be conscious daw when it comes to eating,
Yeah.
diba? So whatever school of thought you actually have, as far as maintaining your physical
Yes.
body is concerned,
Oo.
siguro it will always go back to ano ba talaga yung tumatakbo sa isip mo.
Yeah.
At saka kung ano yung pinaniniwalaan mo about your makeup.
Yes.
Diba?
And I remember listening to one of Mind Valley's videos, no, na meron siyang isang employee doon na before was really chubby, but when he got into this identity, no, he got across this book, Atomic Habits, he got into this identity na Spartan siya. He is a Spartan. So because of that, parang may nag-click, no? Nag-switch on in his mind that, okay, since I am a Spartan, I will really commit to this structure in terms of taking care of myself, exercising, etc., etc. And in the same way, if you have this identity na, for example, nahihirapan ka mag-meditate or get up early, diba? Your identity is, I am a monk. Diba pag monk ka, gigising ka talaga na maaga at magme-meditate because
Exactly.
you are a monk.
A monk.
So it goes back to identity.
Even if you're really not a monk. Diba?
Even if you're not a monk, but because you take on the identity of a monk, hindi na siya question whether gigising ka na maaga o hindi. Gigising ka talaga na maaga because that's what
That's
a
the
monk.
lifestyle of a monk. Diba? Nagme-meditate sila.
Correct,
First thing in
correct.
the morning, yun yung ginagawa nila. So, whatever areas in your life,
Yes.
in our lives, we want to work on, maganda pa rin talaga na i-anchor natin siya dun sa I am natin.
Correct.
Diba? Dun sa real identity natin.
Which brings me to, paano ba tayo mag-create ng identity val?
Ayan, magandang magandang topic yan. Kasi when I attended yung personal mastery and
Yes.
personal development, mga workshops na inattend natin over the past years,
Yes.
one thing that I really appreciate about living a successful life in all areas, health, relationship, wealth, life purpose, and even yung creative expression, the most important thing is, number one, be intentional.
Yes. And when you say intentional, ito yung sinasabi natin na being clear with what
Yep.
you want. And it's really creating that desire in your heart, desire within yourself to be aligned to that purpose. Right? And why you want it, why you want to start it in the first place.
So, take for example na lang yung health.
Yes.
Diba? Usually kasi ang health ang tina-target pagdating sa New Year's resolution.
New Year's resolution.
Diba?
Right?
Example ng mga New Year's resolution as far as health is concerned.
Alright, so, syempre, di ba, magda-diet na ako, or magvi-vegan, magvi-vegetarian, or
Ayan.
mag-gym na ako araw-araw.
So, effective daw yung New Year's resolution na yan pagdating sa health and fitness.
Yes.
At least during the first few weeks of the new year.
January.
Diba? Ng January. Probably aabot pa yan ng February. Pero since, yun nga parang hindi kasi siya naka-anchor dun sa identity. Or kung hindi man lang sa identity, wala siyang purpose talaga kung bakit ginagawa. Siguro ano lang, nadala lang kasi, ay, ang dami kong kinain over the holidays. I want to lose the excess weight or calories, ganyan. So, gagawin siya. But since it's not part of the identity, the consciousness ng tao na gumawa ng New Year's resolution, chances are, it's easy to let go.
Yes.
Diba? Kasi lalong-lalo na, pagkatapos ng January, siyempre February na, ano ang magandang, diba? Ang magandang reason na not to be healthy anymore or be conscious about the diet? Valentine's,
Oo.
di ba? Valentine's date. And ang dami-daming mga chocolates
Oh,
na
no.
dumarating kapag February. So, if it's not anchored to your identity of being healthy, the reason why you're actually wanting to be healthy, then it's easy to let go.
Agree. And of course, tayo, or like for example, ikaw particularly, you are the most intentional person in terms of health, no? Si Val, mahilig talaga yan siya mag-exercise. Like, between the two of us, mas committed yan siya to wake up early, to really spend time, 1 hour, either yoga or strength exercise. And that is, the reason behind that is really,
Of course, number one, I want to be healthy.
yeah.
I want to keep my energy up because of the demands of being a father,
Yes.
of being your partner, of being in business, being an
Yes.
entrepreneur who talks to a lot of people
Correct.
and has a whole day of schedule lined up
Yes.
to be fulfilled. No? But para sa akin, more importantly, is really being able to feel good about myself.
Yan.
Secondary na lang yung pag-fulfill ko ng role ko as a father. Kasi
Alright.
imagine, ang mga anak ko, 18 years old, anak natin, di ba? 18
Anak
years
mo lang.
old. 18 years old yung eldest, apat sila, and then yung youngest is 7.
Hindi mo na-memorize yung ibang ages.
Alam ko, eh.
No.
18, 13,
Very good.
11, and 7.
Wow, memorize.
Diba? So,
Okay.
kung tutuusin mo, medyo malayo yung age difference
gap,
namin.
yes.
Kahit na nga dun sa panganay, di ba? Medyo malayo na rin siya.
Correct.
I want to be able to keep my energy up and my health up because I want to see them grow and fulfill their life purpose.
Correct.
And gusto ko na kahit na matanda na ako, I will still be able to keep up to their energy. So yun yung gusto ko,
Yes,
'di ba?
of course.
And yeah, it's all about really taking care of myself, taking care of my body so that I'll be able to take care of my relationships better.
Alright.
I'll be able to take care of my commitments better if my physical health is up and about.
So, malalim at klaro kung bakit niya ginagawa on a day-to-day basis. In fact, during pandemic, guys, grabe, as in, dun kami pumayat. 'Di ba? For some, maybe dun sila tumaba. Kasi nga, 'di ba, order, online food. It was so easy. Most of the time, online talaga yung orders
Yep.
ng mga pagkain. Kasi nasa bahay ka lang, 'di ba? Pero actually, during the pandemic, dun kami mas naging healthy.
Right.
Diba? Parang dun tayo naging health conscious on being plant-based and exercise every day, diba? Kasi wala tayong magawa kundi mag-exercise, diba? We even created our vegetable garden, right? So, kumbaga, being clear with what you want and why you want it in the first place would definitely allow you to sustain. Hindi lang January because it's New Year, New Year resolution ka, na magpapapayat ka na or whatever, no? Up until December of 2023, matatapos mo siya kung whatever you have set your mind into and your heart into. Dahil clear and dahil alam na alam mo kung bakit mo sinimulan in the first place.
Yeah, and siguro part of being intentional is knowing the prices that you have to pay kapag ka hindi mo siya ginawa. 'Di ba? Like for example ako, if I know that if I slack on my exercise routine,
Yes.
mabilis na akong mag-gain ng weight because
Of your
the
age.
metabolic age.
Sige na
Totoo
nga.
naman 'yan, 'di ba?
Okay.
Yan kung magiging identity ko. Pero if I will believe
Create
that create the identity and believe that as long as I'm alive and I'm still able to work out, I'll be able to
I am healthy.
stay healthy.
Yes.
I am healthy, I am fit, I am ageless.
Yan
Diba?
yun.
So it doesn't matter kung anong age ka na, basta you're intentional about taking care of your health.
That's
Second is
awesome.
of course, ano ba yung benefit, 'di ba? So
Yeah.
it's all about price and
Price and
benefit,
benefit.
Ano naman yung makukuha ko kapag continuous kong inalagaan yung health ko.
Tama.
Diba? So, yeah, in the same way, if people who are listening to us
Yes.
today would choose to have a different intention for their new health, their new
Yes.
body this new year,
Uh-huh.
then it's easy. It's gonna be a lot simpler. Hindi ko sasabihing easier kasi there will be challenges along the way. But it will be a lot easier to commit to it, especially kapag intentional ka talaga in taking care of your health.
I think one of the benefits, no, balik tayo sa health, one of the benefits really of taking care of your health is hindi ka mabilis mapagod. Diba?
Tama.
And kami ni Val, parang we are already at our 40s. But, we've never been so healthy, feel so energetic. Kasi we've been very committed to taking care of our health on a
Yes.
day-to-day basis. Parang naging part na talaga siya ng lifestyle natin. That's the reason why, in relation to being intentional, it's really creating a structure around it.
Yan.
Diba? Kasi kung magiging part na siya ng schedule mo, hindi yung parang, okay, gagawin ko ngayon kung hindi ako busy or hindi ko gagawin kasi busy ako. No, magiging part na siya ng structure mo. Part na ipa-plug in mo na siya sa calendar mo. And the best way that we do it is do it the first thing in the morning. Diba?
Yep.
Diba there are days na sometimes kung hindi mo na plan out yung day mo, parang ano kayang gagawin ko ngayon? But since we already have a structure na first thing in the morning we do our daily routine, kasama na dyan yung meditation, exercise, growing ourselves, learning, hindi na siya question kung anong gagawin mo first
Tama.
thing in the morning. Pagkagising ni Val sa umaga, no? Siya kasi example. Pero actually, kaming dalawa, we have different ways of doing our exercise. Hindi siya the same time. And usually, Val does it downstairs sa my garage. Ako, I do it here near my room. But that's what we do. The moment we wake up, we already do our meditation, do our exercise, and we have our headset plugged in. So, the moment, siguro mga 9 o'clock is 9 o'clock sharp, ready na kami to rock and roll.
Yeah, in relation to that, 'di ba merong Atomic Habits?
Yes.
Meron din si Robin Sharma.
Okay.
Na
5 a.m. club.
Yung 5 a.m. club niya that where he espouses yung 20-20-20 rule,
Yan.
'di ba?
Oo.
So first thing in the morning, you spend 20 minutes in meditation,
Yes.
silent time or prayer, depende kung ano yung ginagawa mo. And then another 20 minutes growing your mind
Yes.
or feeding your mind. And then yung last 20 minutes is really being able to do your physical exercises.
Yes.
Now, hindi mo siya pwedeng gawin mo siya ng Monday, Wednesday, and Friday lang.
Consistency
It has
pa
to be
rin.
done consistently on a day-to-day basis because both of these schools of thoughts, yung Atomic Habits and yung 5 a.m. Club,
Yes.
ang kanilang itinuturo is that you have to build up the habit
Yes.
so that it becomes a behavioral pattern for you. And then it becomes your identity
It
already.
becomes who you are.
It becomes who you are.
And yeah, just to quote a sentence from Atomic Habits, small repetitive actions that require little effort or motivation but lead to big changes
Wow.
in our everyday lives.
Wow.
So it goes back to yung tiny changes that you do that will lead to the big changes.
It compounds
Yeah, it
diba?
compounds. It's a small steps and then it leads to, the results that you want. Hindi siya pwedeng one time, big time.
Exactly.
Na parang, okay, gusto kong mag-lose ng 50 pounds. Ganyan. So, hindi ka kakain for 1 week. Mamamatay ka. Kasi magugulat yung system mo.
Yeah.
But if you do it on a regular basis, okay, today, ito yung ilulose ko or ililesen ko yung calories, mag-exercise ako, bukas ulit, ganon. So, if you do that for 365 days, sumobra. I'm sure, merong results yan.
Yeah,
Diba ba?
1% of change from the previous day,
Yeah.
it will add up to 365%. 50% na change for the
Correct.
entire year. So, why not try to work it out that way,
Yeah.
'di ba? Create a structure because that structure will allow you to enjoy freedom as far as
Yes.
whatever intentions you will have. Again, whether sa health yan, whether sa relationship yan, whether sa accumulating wealth, or even yung life purpose, as long as gagawin mo siya consistently in that kind of manner or structure, then definitely it will happen to you.
Correct. I totally agree. And siguro yung what really worked for both of us is having an accountability
Accountability.
partner.
Yan.
No? So, having an accountability partner for both of us, si Val yung taga-check on me kung ginawa ko na ba talaga ang aking daily routine. And ako, hindi ko na siya kailangan i-check. Pero, chine-check ko siya. Oh, tapos ka na, ganyan. So, that's how we do it. And siguro for some, no, na somehow they're still building up on this kind of structure. Maganda din kung lagyan ng a little excitement, and that is in the form of consequence.
Consequence or
Yan.
reward, pwede rin.
Pwede rin,
Diba?
no? Okay.
Ang maganda kasi dun sa accountability partnership is number one, yun nga, aside from merong nag-check in sa'yo kung ginagawa mo ba siya or
Yes.
hindi. Ano din siya, parang constant reminder for you to stay on track with
Yes.
whatever structure you decided to do for yourself. And yun nga, kung meron kang accountability partner for the both of you.
Yeah.
And then of course, yung system of consequence and reward, it will also allow you to be on your toes to really make it happen, 'di ba?
Yeah.
Ang maganda diyan kung yung consequence na pag-uusapan ninyo o pag-aagrihan ninyo
Medyo masakit.
is something that it will really hurt. Either it will hurt your pocket or it will
Hurt your self-esteem.
system, yung self-esteem mo kapag ka hindi mo talaga ginawa.
Yeah, an
diba?
example of that is meron akong accountability body in terms of meditation naman. No? So, we've been creating this structure on meditation on a day-to-day basis. A meditation and exercise pala yan. And we have to post that picture, or at least nagsabi kami sa isa't isa na we're done. So, of course, integrity mo na lang, 'di ba, kung ginawa mo talaga
Yep.
siya o hindi. Pero wala kaming napag-usapan na kailangan may picture or what. Basta trust na ginawa mo talaga. So, dapat before 10 a.m. Etong accountability partner ko, 2 beses talaga siya na alauna na niya ginawa, or perhaps mga 10:05, ganyan.
Wow.
'Di ba? And ang consequence was money, no? It was 3,000 pesos every time ma-miss out niya. Lo and behold, since hindi pa part ng structure niya, yun, nakabayad siya sa akin ng 2 beses ng 3,000 because nga, hindi niya finalo yung structure.
Wow.
But the benefit around it is until now, ginagawa niya pa
niya.
rin. And he even created his own accountability group already na ganun din, dapat mag-post before 10 a.m. yung routine niya. So,
Yeah.
beneficial din siya.
Galing. So, ang sarap na meron kang ganyang klase ng accountability
Yes.
partner, no? Kaya nga siya tinawag na accountability is para maging accountable ka dun sa action na gusto mong i-take in order for you to experience transformation or change within yourself and about yourself for the new year.
Nice.
Diba?
So imagine, Val, if they would be doing this every day, small steps for 365 days. And today is January 1, 2023.
Yep.
By December 31, 2023, imagine the possibilities. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited kung ano yung pwedeng mangyari sa bawat isa. And dapat meron din tayong New Year's intention for
the new year.
2023, right? So,
Exactly. So, excited din ako na makita ang bagong ako, my new me this 2023 as I continue on with the structure I've created for myself. Of course, being intentional around it. So,
all right.
So that's it. Hope that you got excited to create new intentions for 2023.
And if you found value in this episode, support us by following our podcast and remember to give us a 5-star rating. Talk to you soon.